Good morning back here at the tee. Decided to go ahead and use a little bit of mechanical pushing to get this material off the tee. Not picking up too much material, so except the dead stuff, so that'll help us out a bunch. But one of the things I wanted to demonstrate here is that it's 9:12 in the morning. We're past summer solstice, which is the June 21st, which is the time where the Earth in the northern hemisphere is closest to the sun. And now the Earth will start changing its angle, and we'll start getting a little bit further away each day from the sun. The sun will be going a little bit more southerly direction. But you can see here on our tee, we got maybe half the tee in the sun field right now at 9 o'clock in the morning. The other half is not. Now we do have some areas of some scattered sun as it's making its way through the leaves and the limbs of the trees, but not nearly enough sun that we need to grow warm season grass to support on the whole tee. So what we're looking at is removal of pretty much all the tall trees that are here in the background of this shot. There's 8 or 9 trees that are near the tee that are creating a tremendous amount of shade for us. And it's the 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock shade, 9 o'clock shade that we're trying to go after. And then looking over here on the west side, it's not the tallest trees because those aren't actually on our property. It's the first row of trees here that are right in the early background, or the middle ground of this shot. All the scrub and underneath trees. Those start creating shade for us at 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, which we need some additional sun. So all this tee bank will be clear. Now we'll have a lot of scrub material down the ditch and up on the other side towards the railroad tracks that will be there to block sound and help us, give us a little bit of privacy. And then also we'll be looking at some trees and some undergrowth material to the back of the tee to try to get more air in. So we'll be evaluating that as time goes by to try to help us with some air circulation to help your experience be a little bit better down here on the tee. But this is just another quick shot just to kind of show you, what we're experiencing here and the difficulties that we're having in trying to grow turf down in this area. So we'll start here, kind of up here in this corner. We're going to run a drain line all the way across catty corner across the tee, and it'll outflow out to the creek. Then we'll put lateral lines on both sides of that drain line. And then I was looking at this back corner, we're kind of wet back there, so we might end up running a drain line across the back as well. But the tee is sloping from the front right corner to the back left corner, and it has about a 1% slope. It's a nice slope for water drainage, but we need to get water into a pipe and into the ground as quickly as possible to help dry the tee out. So that's some additional information we've got going on here today. Probably have this thing cleared off maybe by noon, maybe a little bit after that. Have a great day.